Hello दोस्तों, hello friends, how are you all?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
I hope
हाँ
you are
चटनी की
doing
भेज दिया
well, you are doing amazing.
हाँ ठंड हो
And
रही है वैसे आज ठंड हो रही है
enjoying.
हाँ ठीक
Yesterday
भी हुए दिन बड़े
and a day
मतलब
before
मार्च में
yesterday,
ठीक है
I
ना गर्म नहीं
posted a
हुई है ना
video in which
जब
I
तो
was
जब जब
speaking in
जब तो
English
रही
and
खूब ही रही ना गर्म नहीं
explaining
रही
my
गर्म नहीं रही
thoughts with you to you.
हाँ
There was something wrong
हाँ
with my English,
दुई दिन हुए
मतलब
गर्म ना ज़्यादा
sorry,
कर हुए
meaning
तब
uh,
आज आज तो सुबह
some
रही
grammatical mistakes were there in my speaking English, but I didn't
हाँ चलो चलो
tell you that there
हाँ हाँ
were something wrong with
अच्छा
it.
अच्छा
I just explained to you, and I said that I I am
हाँ
telling
हाँ
you uh,
अच्छा ना वेगे चे ऊन पूरी
my
बची बिची
thoughts and my opinions, but there is something,
पूरी
some grammatical mistakes are there. I told you
हाँ जब
when I
जब बाद में
explained
मिले ऐसे मतलब पूरी
the
लगी ना
process of
अच्छा
speaking in English. I told
हाँ
you
हाँ
in my previous videos.
हाँ
Today I am also speaking in English,
अच्छा
but
कलर
maybe I
फरक नहीं है
think
कलर
there
कलर
is something, some mistakes are there,
अच्छा
some small mistakes, but it happens and it is
अच्छा
normal, because when you are not
अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं छोड़ो रहने
reading
दो
books, when you are not
अच्छा
learning
अच्छा
from any kind of media, you are just uh,
हाँ हाँ
practicing at home by yourself, only by
हाँ
just revising your uh, uh,
हाँ हाँ
your books which you had read
हाँ
before in your school times,
हाँ हाँ
and
चलो
only
ठीक है
by
ठीक है
the help of those
हाँ हाँ
memories you
फिर
are
डाल देते
speaking in English
ठीक
or explaining in English. So uh, uh, in this process these small mistakes comes. So uh, today when I am speaking in English there are some mistakes, and yesterday when I uploaded the video there were some mistakes, and uh, the day before yesterday when I uploaded the video also there were some mistakes, and I told them, and I told you that there are some mistakes, some grammatical mistakes are there, but I didn't explain which one. So if you understand, you know which one is my mistake, which one is you uh, thought that there is this kind of mistake, you can comment and you can explain to me in the comment box. I will tell you that this is done or this is wrong, this is right. I will tell you on the comment box. So uh, because I know people don't know how to speak, how to understand, or how to explain, they just grasp big words when we speak in English, when we listen English. They just look for big words, and only by listening them, they uh, they just guess that what the speaker is going to explain or what the speaker is trying to tell us by listening just big words. Like I am telling you the process of my mistakes in this video, but those who do not know what I am talking about, they will just listen to big words which they know their meaning, and by them they will know that uh, at last what I am talking about and what I am trying to explain only by listening big words. So this is the method of learning English in common people. So uh, and this was also my method when I was beginner in English. Right now I can write in English very well, and I can understand English conversation very well. But when it comes to speak in English, I fumble every time. I do some grammatical mistakes because I do not practice it regularly. This is That's why these mistakes comes. So if you want to learn, or you want to learn something from me, or you want to practice some English speaking sentences, do like me, like I am trying. Whatever is coming in your mind, speak those sentences. It is wrong, it is right, don't matter. Whatever is coming in your mind, speak those, make videos and post. People will learn from you, people will teach you that there is this kind of mistake, there is this kind of right thing you did. They will tell you, and that is how your willpower help you to learn speaking in English. Like mine is working. My willpower is forcing me to learn it and to do better. I saw some videos from my Uttarakhand, and there was a teacher who was mm, trying to help some viewers to speak in English, or to he was teaching them how to speak in English fluently, and he was speaking also in English, and he told his students speak in English. They were also speaking in English. So I uh, felt very good, and I am inspired by them. And I after after watching his reels, I posted 3 or 4 videos of mine, by three for some videos of mine, in which I am also speaking in English. So the motivation is coming from them, and I am not speaking, or I am not speaking it only just for him. I am speaking because want that you people, those who are watching me, you also learn from me and from him. And this will help you to encourage you in your learning English, learning all the things you want to learn from us. I will help you. And please, if you think, or if you understand my video, if you think that some mistakes in my video, please do comment and explain those uh, errors, or some mistakes, and I will thank you. So keep supporting me, keep learning from me, and keep encouraging me also. Thank you for all the love you are giving me.